Na na na. Good morning. It's December 20th. We're going to the visitor center to buy aquarium tickets and take the trolley. Yes. See.
And we're gonna go to the aquarium, and it's exciting. I like aquariums, and it's supposed to be raining outside, so we're gonna be inside all day.
It's sprinkle, sprinkle.
Sprinkle, sprinkle.
So we have like raincoats, and I have an umbrella.
Yeah.
We should be good.
So we're gonna put on our raincoats. We're gonna put on our shoes, and off we go. Oh my gosh! Do you hear that? Wait.
Try sleeping with that bad boy.
Oh, you look so pretty. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Big news. I met my husband today. It was a beautiful moment.
Let me talk to him. Pouring.
It was pouring. We were stuck outside for a bit. I would have vlogged it, but it was pouring, and I didn't want my beautiful camera to get messed up. And the wind kept pushing your umbrella.
Yes, it kept turning my umbrella inside out.
And as a woman said in this hotel when we were leaving, she was like, "All right, Mary Poppins." Pretty accurate.
Yes.
But we're finally back. We're finally dry. We cooled off by the fire pit.
Warmed up by the fire.
Yeah. Warmed up by the fire place, and which is now our favorite spot. And we got some tea, and now she's pouring wine and getting us cookies. Those beautiful cookies right there. And we're gonna find some type of Christmas movie. I'm gonna edit the vlog from yesterday, I think. That's the update. We're in nice, comfy pajamas. Not pajamas, just lounge wear.
Yoga pants.
Yoga pants. I have fuzzy socks that are about to be on my feet. And yeah, what did we do before? Oh, we went to the aquarium. That was fun. There wasn't a shark tank. I saw a few sharks though. But there was actually a literal shark tank in the elevator. They made it look like a shark tank underwater, which is pretty clever if you ask me. Anyways, that's the update. We will be here for a bit, chilling, drying off, getting comfy, and then we're going out for dinner. Thank you. Hello.
Flat. Mighty flat.
We are headed off to dinner, and I'm tired.
We're going to...
We just ruined my jacket.
Whose jacket?
Your jacket.
We're going to the Brick.
The Brick.
Which we saw when our driver went and dropped us off at our
Brick,
stop.
Brick. If
It's
anyone knows
2
that
blocks
reference,
down,
I love
so
you.
off we go.
Off we go.
In the rain.
In the rain. What are we watching?
The Santa Claus 2, which is rarely shown.
I'm gonna sign off now because I don't feel like vlogging anymore. Until tomorrow. Peace out, home skillet.
Really? I didn't know.